Good morning, everybody. It is the big day. I cannot believe it's already here. It's already Wednesday. Powell's going to be speaking at 2:30, 30 minutes after that interest rate decision at 2 p.m., I'm sure, as you've heard probably 1,000 times by now. But it's going to be a big day, guys. The market opened up right now, and we're not getting too crazy of movement so far. Honestly, seems pretty normal if you ask me. Looking at the market overall, Sean says check out Zoom. Yeah, wow, yeah, nice green candle there, looking good. Baidu popping again on Chap GDP news. Let's see, Baidu. Wow, that's a pretty big move from them. Are all the China stocks up? Baidu, JD, Baba. Yeah, I mean, Baidu's definitely looking better than the other two. That is for sure there. Keisha also says XPEV. Man, these China stocks are looking pretty good, though. Christian says pop $10. Kind of scary to enter now on Baidu. I played it the last 2 days. BIDU. Nice, Christian. It looks like some of these intraday moves are kind of crazy Baidu has sometimes. Seems pretty good, but let's go. Thanks for joining up. Warren, Keisha, Jamie, Bill W., Mike, Christian, Louie, Marty, Sean, and Keisha again. Keisha gets named twice, I guess. But guys, it's gonna be a crazy, crazy type of day. I just can't wait for later. I'm gonna have to throw up a poll really quick on which way you guys think the market will go. Will FOMC / Powell push us higher / lower? Okay. You guys will like this one. I think we're going to have the higher option being mostly FOMC, higher mostly Powell, then we're going to have lower mostly FOMC, and then lower mostly Powell. So before I throw out the poll here, I want to go ahead and explain the answers a little bit. So pretty much you're just voting for which person or which entity will affect the market the most. So if you vote higher, you're going to vote for mostly FOMC if you think that the FOMC interest rate decision is going to be the bigger move, or you'll vote higher mostly Powell if you think him speaking will cause the bigger move. We'll have to see which one it ends up being, but I have a feeling Powell always is very influential with his tone and all that crazy stuff like that. And guys, we will be going live later today as well, so be ready for that on the Stocked Up Live YouTube channel, or right here, as you guys know. Yeah, so we'll be live at 2 p.m. We might go live, 10 minutes early, something like that, but we will be ready for that interest rate decision. It is going to be a huge day as far as that is concerned. So let's hope for some good movement. Man, we need some solid price action here, back to the upside, especially with SPY, which is just very stagnant here today, not really doing much of anything. Let's go to the 1 minute. Nvidia's all over. AMD's moving around, I saw. Someone posted about that in the Discord. XPEV starting to fall back down, actually, slightly. The hell's going on there? Big pullback. I will say I'm watching that AMD move, though. AMD is actually still up 4.2% after earnings yesterday. Nice continuation. They're getting really close to the... Well, they honestly hit right off my resistance. Look at that. Right off the green level. Got really close to $80 up there. Zoom we need to see a breakout with, too. Just had a crazy, unusual options play with this one a little while ago. Pretty good. It's been running up, I'd say, a little bit since then. Got my coffee again this morning, guys. I gotta get that coffee in, as we always say. Still got the Folgers for now. I think I'm gonna order something different here sometime soon. I might go with that Pete's coffee. That sounded kind of good. Pete's. But I like the Folgers. It's not bad. Not bad. Wow, Nvidia's not bad either. Nvidia's almost up to 200 while AMD's almost up to 80. So we're actually seeing some nice price action out of both of these. Looking awesome. AMD getting a move on. There we go. 78 calls next week, Christian said. He's in on him. Yeah, nice, Christian. Let's go. I think we could get up to around 80 at least. I would hope. We are at my resistance here at 79.30-ish. I have a level. But wow, up 20% already is very nice. Hopefully, oh, there we go. There we go, Christian. He's going to be loving these ones, guys. He called it out live pretty much, I think. 26% now. Beautiful. Beautiful. 79.50. It's just going to keep going for you, Christian. At least your percentage going up. Hopefully it gets up to like 50%. That'd be nice. That'd be cool to see. Come on, AMD. I know you're not done for us yet. I know you have more in the tank. Let's go. Oh, man. AMD, one of my favorites. You know, hey, I'll take the good earnings report on AMD, though, guys. I mean, that is fantastic. Let's go. It's not every day you get a good earnings report like this. Actually, you know what AMD deserves? They deserve some claps, I'd say. Hell yeah, I love the AMD. Hit them with the claps. There it is. AMD with the claps. Gotta love that. It's like that one rap song, like making it clap. AMD's making it clap. Even though they're not necessarily exploding up above that huge resistance or the resistance I have up there, it's still a pretty good move after earnings. Like any type of semiconductor earnings that go well is a good thing to see. And Intel's actually, well, I meant Nvidia. Nvidia's falling off. Intel's falling off. Damn it. But look at Nvidia. It's popping up with AMD, so that's nice. Sucks to see Intel sucking around, but it is what it is. Not too bad, right? Not too bad. Be ready for later, though, guys. We are going live again. It's going to be a crazy, crazy day. Wheat's going nuts, Peter says, which is causing the wheat ETF to kind of pop a little. Nice. Christian sold 15 of the contracts, kept 5. Nice to lock it in. Nice shit, Christian. Let's go. Let's go, Christian. That's some W's in the chat, though, right there. Nice little scalp. One of my favorite stocks in the market, AMD. There we go. Gotta love that. I remember I had my range down here to buy in this purple area. It was so funny. It only hit this area for just like a day or two and popped back up. Back here in October. I said to buy between 40 and 60 on the shares, so hey, if you would have bought the shares there, you'd be doing solid. I wasn't even able to buy right there this time, but bought into other stuff. Was hoping to get AMD a little bit lower into my range, though. Maybe around 50 or 40, something like that. Sucks it held up. No, I don't mean it sucks too bad, but it's always good it held up, AMD's the poor man Nvidia. I guess that's true, Christian. I'd say that. I would say that too. When I was growing up, the AMD gaming parts were actually a lot worse than the Nvidia and the Intel parts. And what's interesting is that now they got a lot closer, and now AMD has they have a good reputation, but it's because their prices aren't too high, but then they still have a lot of good power. So found that interesting, kind of. I remember Intel used to be the king And not all people talk about is AMD. Kind of crazy. Like when I was growing up, AMD was seriously terrible. Like I would have never have said to bought any of their parts back in the day. And when I say back in the day, I'm talking like 2012, 2011, 2014, stuff like that. That's where I'm talking. Hey, he's just kidding. Yeah, I feel you, Christian. Yeah, I know. I know what you're saying, man. I was just being serious though, kind of about AMD. It really was kind of the it really was the poor man's thing back in the day. It's kind of funny. Funny, I guess the market dynamics change, you know? AMD started pushing better shit out. He says, Peter goes, I can't wait for AMD to get to my buy point of $9 again. Yeah, that was my original buy point too. Man, I was into this one very, very low down here. During this range is when I got in. Wait, hang on. Yeah, it was during that range. Maybe like 17, 18. Ended up selling out of AMD when it went to like 16 or 20. But man, oh, I could have made so much more. So much more. That one actually made me sick for a couple years watching it going up after I sold it. That one was a little bit rough. Can't lie. I just would have held AMD, guys. I'm just kidding. It would have been like another 100K or something, though. You know, it would have been 100 grand. So a little bit of a miss out there, but you know, that happens all the time. You know, if hindsight was 2020, we'd all be bazillionaires. That would have been nuts because that would have went up like a couple years ago too. So yeah, that would have been pretty crazy. Nvidia going up though. Let's see. Warren says, "I love Nvidia, but I want it to tank." Warren, don't you say that. You're gonna make me sad today. We have Big Daddy Powell speaking later, and you want Nvidia to fall? No, 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 no. It's all right though. No, I'm just joking. It's all good to do that. Christian said had Baidu 2140 calls next week. Been up 14K, but he was 1 day late. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. That hindsight's always 2020, man. Damn. Baidu. But you know what, Warren? You know what I have to say to this, man? You can't be saying these things about Nvidia.
How dare you?
That's wrong, man. That's just.
How dare you?
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna make Greta upset. You better watch out, man. She's going off there in the background. I can hear her back there. Oh, I love those buttons, man. They're funny. Some of them though, are, like if you, I gotta start testing them out though before the stream. Sometimes they get too loud and too kind of crazy. Too crazy sometimes. XPev. Keisha says XPev looks like it's breaking out of a bull flag. I hope so. It kind of looks stuck on my chart. Am I wrong? I guess it was a second ago actually, but 3 minutes ago. Let's see that daily. Maybe it looks different on the daily. Ooh. I like the daily setup. Yeah. Keisha, I think I see what you're saying. I think I see. I like this. Let's actually make a little drawing here. Draw some technicals out for you guys. Oh yeah, that trend line is perfect. Perfection on the trend line. Love to see that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Can't get much better than that. And we have nice support. Okay. Okay. AMD broke out. Christian. Oh, it faked. I'm just joking. It didn't fake yet. It's just sitting here, though. I always like to look at like a couple candles confirmation, but yeah. It's right at 80. Nice, Christian. I hope those 5 runners are doing a lot better now. Hope they're flying. Yeah, BA is up too. Sean, what is going on with Boeing here? Whoa. Look at them breaking out on the daily. Holy shit. Wow, I better delete some levels on Boeing, man. I'm gonna ruin your guys' eyes with all these lines here. Close your eyes. Jeez. Okay. Nice, Boeing. Did I talk about Boeing yesterday? Let me see. I just gotta go look. Nope. Talk about Shopify and Walmart in last night's video. I know we talked about Boeing a little bit this week, and man, it was in a crazy range lately, and we're starting to break the range. So let's go. That's actually an awesome looking play. Post it up. Crazy, it's continuing up still. Can't believe it still has good momentum. I mean, seriously, that's insane. Baidu? Whoa, that is actually still going too. Yeah, everything's going. What else? Is Microsoft going? Nope. Damn, Microsoft's not going. Tessie's probably not either. Okay. So many stocks are doing good today, though. I'll take it. Take the good movement. There we go. That's fantastic. XPEV broke, Keisha said. Up 60%. What? Oh, you're up 60%. I see, I see. Nice stuff, Keisha. Guys, W's in the chat for Christian and Keisha. It's been a great day. Talking about some great gains here today. There we go. Got to get the claps going again. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys, if that came through twice. My speakers are pretty loud. Awesome with Boeing, though. And XPEV, fantastic. And what about AMD? Still going. Look at that. Starting to break 80, like Christian said. See that 1 minute? Definitely getting some consolidation around here. Some consolidations coming in for sure. Good old AMD, though. One of the better ones out here. Starting to come down now a little bit, but man, one of my favorites here. Right at 80. Huge level. We've been doing great with AMD the past couple weeks. Man, it's been an amazing uptrend. It's been fantastic. DraftKings, Fiva, how are you doing, Fiva? I hope you're having a great day. Man, I cannot talk today, guys. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully I can talk later when Powell speaks. And guys, don't forget, I will be going live later whenever Powell speaks at 2. Well, I'll be live for the interest rate decision at 2 p.m. And then I'll also be live when Powell speaks at 2:30 p.m. later. So be ready. It's going to be a crazy, crazy report later. I can't wait for it. Give me 1 second to grab a quick drink of coffee here. Nice, the coffee's not too hot. Not too hot. We waited just long enough. Just long enough, guy. Thank God. If I would have burned my mouth, I would have never drank coffee again. I'd be going right back to Monster. There we go. Look at Palantir breaking. That's awesome. Above 780. Okay. Very nice. Baidu's up 1,500%, Christian says. Holy shit. Wow. Very nice. Those options are exploding on Baidu. No wonder they closed yesterday at like 134 and they're at 150 now. Jeez, 16-point move. Okay. Not too bad. We'll take it. We'll take it. Peter says, look at the HYG 72 puts for March 17th and April 21st, 71 puts. Huge volume all of a sudden. Uh-oh. Let's see, you said the 71 puts and the 72 puts. Wow, that's actually pretty low down there. Wow, I would guess that they're shorting those, Peter. Honestly, I don't know. Seems pretty far away. 71 and 72. If I was playing this right now, I'd look to short this. I think that looks like a good short play. Interesting, interesting. Oh, Christian says he's not, though. Oh, shit. My bad, Christian. I thought you were. I thought that's what you meant. Sorry about that. Keisha said she missed it. Why is Baidu popping? I think it's popping, Keisha, because of the Chat GPT news. I know that they have there was some good hype with their AI stuff with that, I believe, with Chat GPT. If it's not them, I feel like it's following in sympathy with another China stock that is. But earlier, Christian said that it was because of Chat GPT, and I would think that that's what's going on. Nice momentum. Nice momentum there. And I'm getting worried for later, guys. It's gonna be a crazy, crazy next couple days. Let's see the new CME group prediction. So they have a 98.7% chance now of a 25 basis point rate hike and a 1.3% chance of a 50 basis point rate hike. Peter says, "'Cause you missed it. That's why." That's why. Let's see. "'Cause you missed it. That's why." First I was like, what? I see. Keisha, it's all your fault. Keisha, you need to start missing it every day. I'll tell you. You miss it every day. I need you to miss DraftKings tomorrow, okay? Miss DraftKings, and then maybe it'll start to run more. Poor Keisha. She's been getting picked on. That move up's pretty good with Palantir, though. Can't lie. That's like one of my favorite breakouts here. Man, AMD is rejecting off 80 now. It really is starting to come back down a little bit. Just a little. Nothing too crazy yet, but little consolidation. Running back to the downside. I can't believe EA fell 11%. Freaking EA and their earnings. Come on. Come on, Electronic Arts. You're not in the game, man. Not in the game.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Yeah, they're not in the game. I'll tell you that. They are out of the game right now. Look at that big gap on that daily chart. Holy shit. If you guys like it for the long term, it might be a good time to start to enter, but right now, looking scary and rough, if I could say the least. That's a big gap. You know what? How could I go today without Tom Brady's retirement? Let's watch it. Let's watch it. Tom Brady retirement. Let's see. I want to see it. Here we go. Good old Tom Brady, my guy. My guy, guys. I'm not kidding. This is my guy right here. Like, I'm not even sure I'm going to watch football anymore. And before you say it, yes, I am that type of guy. I am. I'm not sure I'm going to watch it anymore. Man, he's my guy. I got both his jerseys. Man, I was hoping for a better going out than what happened there. Fuck. This really does have me a little bit fucked up in the head. I can't lie, guys. It really does.
Guys, I'll get to the point right away. I'm retiring for good. I know the process was a pretty big deal last time, so when I woke up this morning, I figured I'd just press record and let you guys know first. So it won't be long-winded. Like, you only get one super emotional retirement essay, and I used mine up last year. So really thank you guys so much, to every single one of you, for supporting me, my family, my friends, my teammates, my competitors. I could go on forever. There's too many. Thank you guys for allowing me to live my absolute dream. I wouldn't change a thing. Love you all.
Good old Tom Brady going off of the scene. Don't have to worry about him anymore, right? Right? Don't gotta worry about him. What do you think? I mean, you think he's done for good? For good? I think he's done for good. I don't think he's gonna be. I don't think he's gonna be coming back. Now, if he comes back this time, it's just gonna be a little bit weird, you know. I think he's done. He's 45. He's the best quarterback in the history of football. I mean, I would say he gets the most votes out of the majority of people's picks for the best quarterback ever. So, yeah, and whether he might not have the best skills as maybe some of the others, but I'll tell you what, he got it done. He got it done. Got it done a lot of times. So, farewell to Tom Brady, the man, the myth, the legend, my guy. My guy, like what? Like why? You don't gotta go, Brady. Come on, play till you're 50, man. Play till you're decrepit, please. Yeah, time to get some golf in. You're right, Sean. He's gonna be playing a lot of golf. You're right. I love those entourage scenes with Tom Brady on the golf course. They are hilarious. You guys haven't seen those. Oh, yeah, Keisha, you still got to see that. Peter goes, "You're not a real trader until you've seen that." You're right. I mean, he is kind of right, Keisha. You got to see The Wolf of Wall Street. I feel like that's got to be a watcher. Like, if you got to watch it this weekend, that's like the homework. You know, it's like that's your homework this weekend. No, I'm just kidding, Keisha. You've been killing it. You've been killing it. So. Peter goes, "Is Brady good at golf?" You know, he's not too bad, but he's definitely not that good, Peter. I mean, I don't know his handicap or nothing. I'd say he's like around as good as I am. Peloton ripping. PTON. Holy shit, it is up to 15. Wow. This thing over the past, since Thursday's low, Peloton's up 41%. 41%? What's going on, guys? 41%. Is there some good news with them? Well, I mean, a lot of stocks are moving, but like, what's causing this? Sean says, "I watched Wolf of Wall Street on my phone while at work trading several times." Yeah, I wish I could play it for you guys. I'd play it right now, to be honest. I would play it right here, right now. I own it. Hang on, I own it on YouTube. Too bad I can't do it. Yeah, I can't do it. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Too bad. Hang on one sec. Okay. Yeah, I can't do it, though. I'll get banned again. Don't want to get banned again, guy. It sucks whenever that happens. They'll, like, mute me for however long. Kind of rough. Yesterday, my mic got all messed up from trying to do that, What was I doing? Oh, the voice changer. That's right, the voice changer. That was terrible, guys. Couldn't believe it. That ended up being really, really rough. Not rough as in like I got banned or anything, but my computer ended up having a lot of issues after that. I had to reinstall all of my Logitech software because it said it got broken after this, and I don't know. I was pretty messed up. All right, SPY though, right around that intraday resistance around 406.50. Throw out your favorite stocks, guys. Check them out, of course. We will check those out. Yeah, we need to get that Discord movie night going. I'm the one who suggested that one. I've seen some other people do that. I've seen people do it in Discord before, so I could maybe do it. You know, it's something we could maybe work out. Don't know exactly how to get it going, but I think we can get it going. It's gonna be funny. I'm probably gonna have to like put some people in timeout because they'll keep talking during the movie. No, I'm just joking. How would I do that? Would the way to go to be like mute everybody, or would the way to go just to be like have it just be chill and have it be real loud or something? I don't know. It's like someone talks and you're like, shut the hell up. I'm trying to watch this. Oh shit. There's a there's a scammer in the Discord here. That asshole. Get out of here. Ban. Got that guy. I was on that guy like a hawk. Get the hell out of there. Don't ever use that WhatsApp shit, guys. Man, I'll tell you, that stuff is whack. I'm not even sure I'll ever use the app. Just the scammers ruined it for me. I'll never use it anymore. Never use it now again. Yeah, Intel started to rip a little bit. Peloton's running up to 1520. Just Peter goes to screen share it to your TV, and yeah, probably mute everyone. Yeah, I can, Peter. Yeah, Mike says again, TB12. Yeah, I know, right, Mike? Brady needs to get out of here. No, I'm just joking. He's my guy. I don't want him to get out. I was kind of hoping he'd play again. I really was. I didn't think he'd be done. I don't even know if I want to even watch football, you know, if he's not playing. I don't know, you know, I'm not sure I'll ever feel that same aura again with that I felt with Brady ever. I don't think I'll ever feel that in football. He was just so hated. I think that's what made me fall in love with the guy. You know, yeah, I really do. I think that's what made me fall in love with him more than anything else. How hated he was. Bill goes, Mahomes is pretty good. Yeah, he's good, but we'll have to see if he can prove himself as much. You know? I feel like there's been a lot of quarterbacks that are better than Brady, but can they get it done as many times as Brady? That's the question. That's the question. Corner says the Mahomes Burrow game was fun to watch. Yeah, I didn't even get to watch it. I didn't even get to watch it. I was gonna watch it, but kind of missed out on it. Yeah, some of those games with Mahomes have been pretty good. That guy can get some crazy plays done, man. I've seen some of those plays that he's done where he's like running and throwing the ball while falling down and stuff, like completely sideways, and the guys catch it and stuff. It gets me dumbfounded in how good the guy is. Freaking amazing. Hope you guys are enjoying today, though. Smash that like button if you are. Don't forget to vote in the poll. Very mixed poll here. Lower mostly Powell's winning, but higher mostly FOMC and higher mostly Powell are like second and third. Those two are basically tied with each other. Bill says Mahomes' dad was an MLB pitcher. Was he? I didn't know that. Did not know that. Forgot about that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know. I like Mahomes. I don't know if maybe like there's just too much like weird stuff with like his girlfriend and his brother, doing a bunch of weird stuff or something. I don't know. Something about the guy just rubs me a little bit the wrong way, but he's definitely like on the track to like beat out a whole bunch of people. Like man, like could you imagine if he wins this Super Bowl? This guy is going to be like on the track to beat Brady. I mean, for the GOAT probably if he don't get hurt. That's the question, is he going to tear his ACL? When's that going to happen? That's where I'm talking. That's where we're going to see the something, if it ever happens. Hopefully not. Let's pray. Never want to see bad injuries like that. These guys. Sean says it's that Bath Bomb State Farm commercial that makes me not like him. Let's go watch it. Bath Bomb State Farm commercial. Bath Bomb State Farm commercial. All right. Let's see this thing. I don't remember this. They might not play this in my area for some reason.
Jake from State Farm. I really want that personal price plan, so I'll admit it. I'm a bath bomb guy.
Dude, you do not need to get that personal. The State Farm Personal Price Plan simply helps you create an affordable price just for you.
For real?
Who's ready for their jazz bath? No?
Who is that guy?
Jazz bath? Call or click to get a quote today. Like a good neighbor.
Is that really all it is? That's funny. Bill says I like the Andy Reid mustache commercial. Andy Reid. Dude, that Andy Reid guy, I don't know what it is with this guy, but I don't know. If you told me that like the FBI raided this guy's house and like you found like pictures of like kids or something on his computer, I would not be surprised. But I don't know. I don't even think I'd be surprised. Let's see what this is.
Hey, Jake from State Farm. I want that personal price plan. So how's this?
Andy Reid.
I draw mustaches on players' faces.
How old
when
is
they're
this guy?
Coach Reed, you don't need to get that personal to get the State Farm Personal Price Plan. It helps you create an affordable price just for you.
Yeah, I like this one. This one's funny.
Coach, it happened again.
I'm gonna get to the bottom of this.
Call or click to get a quote today.
Now that one is, I'll say, that one's pretty damn good. I like this. Let's see how old Andy Reid is, man. He looks old. Let's see. Holy shit, he's 64. Never mind. I thought this guy was young and he just looked weird or something. Wow. He's an old looking guy. The geezer. 64. Wow. Damn. Look at that. Look at his record. 267, 154, and 1. That's pretty damn good. Wow. Good old Andy Reid. Man, they have been on fire the past, how many, like 5 years or something with Andy Reid and Mahomes? Man, they've been on fire. Everybody around me loves Kansas City because I'm in St. Louis. So everybody just loves them. Warren goes, I see what you mean. Reid was fired by the Eagles. Was he? For what? Let me know why he was fired. That's pretty crazy. And for anyone just joining up, just don't forget, I will be live later for Powell Live. We will have it on our screen live. So we don't have, you don't got to go see Yahoo Finance or anything like that. We'll have it right here for you guys. Also, I'll have the market side by side with it. So we'll have Big Daddy on the side of the screen and the market right there as well. So Bill W says he got fired because he didn't win a Super Bowl. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's usually what happens, I guess, but the Eagles, I don't even know like the years he coached them, but I'll tell you what, with a record like that, whoever fired this guy is an idiot. An idiot, man. I want to go see his stats. Let's see. Pro Football Reference. Okay. Andy Reid. That picture looks... Man, yeah, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if I found some pictures in there. All right, let's see some of these records here. Oh my gosh, how did they fire this guy? Oh, they fired him after going 4-12? Okay. The guy went 4-12 after going 11-5, 11-5, 12-4, 12-4, 13-3. Now he did go 6-10. How come they didn't fire him that time? Okay. Then he went 10-6, 8-8, 9-6, 11-5. I guess that one 4-12 was just too much for him, man, you know? That 4-12 was just too much. Yeah. Highlighted all of them in yellow that he was on the Eagles. I'll tell you what, ever since Kansas City, this guy has not had a losing record, and some of these records are freaking insane. Last year, I can't remember, but I think last year or the year before, Kansas City ended up, it was actually insane. They ended up with a fairly bad record at the beginning of the year, and then they like never lost again. Kind of nuts. Wow, what a career this guy's had, Andy Reid. Wow. Who the hell fires that guy, man? Whoever fired him needs to be fired, I'll tell you that. That guy has been amazing. Baidu, wow. 153.40. Amazing run there. Netflix still going too, up to 361. We're getting a pre-interest rate pop here. There we go. Pre-interest rate pop. We'll take it. We will take it. Hang on one second, guys. All right. Sorry about that. I'm back. I was testing out a sound button in the background, and it was rough. I don't think we're gonna be able to use that one later. Whoa, don't change my website now. I mean, what's the big news today? Any big earnings this morning? Let's see what we had. Peloton was up. That was pretty much it. Meta's reporting tonight. Tomorrow's going to be a huge, huge day with Amazon, Apple, and Google. But all right, I think it's time to finally talk about the interest rate decision later. So guys, they're going to be doing a 25 basis point rate hike. At least that is what is being priced in. It's what everybody thinks is going to happen. I mean, 25 basis points should be what ends up coming out here. Now, a very negative thing for the stock market could be if they come out with 50 basis points, and they say, for example, if Powell ends up saying some pretty negative stuff, like inflation is going to be going back up, or we expect it to taper off for a little while or something. I don't know. There's a bunch of hypotheticals on what he could say. But if we end up coming out with 50 basis points and he says something bad, the market could probably end up running down in a big, big way. Hopefully we come out with 25 basis points, and then hopefully Powell says, yeah, we see inflation continuing to drop steadily. That would be awesome. If he says that inflation's going to be going down at a steady pace still, that'll be great. I think the market would react awesome to that, and I think that we'll start to maybe get a nice pop back to the upside. But if we don't see that, I think we'll see a pretty bad move back off to the downside. So, a lot of hypotheticals later, but there's a lot of different ways this can go. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that we should do 25 basis points? Or do you think that we should maybe do 50 basis points? I kind of feel like we should stick with 50 myself. I think that going to 25 basis points is just a little bit too early. I know that the market could probably withstand this right now, and I think it might not be the worst thing in the world, but I think that 25 basis points is just a little bit low. Inflation's still at 6.5%. Now, one thing that I know that Powell and them talk about quite often is the fact that there is a lot of stuff that has to do with delayed reactions to these interest rate hikes. So the market's delayed by a couple months compared to these hikes. So for example, if they start, like, let's just give a hypothetical here. Let's say there's no rate hikes going on. And then let's say right now they do a rate hike. This first rate hike might not really start to affect inflation for, a couple months. It might take a little while for it to finally start to affect it. Like, for example, we see a delay between the rate hike and between the inflation number actually moving. So we got to keep that in mind, as in inflation could be delayed by a couple months and might fall down to 3%, in the next 3 to 4 months if it's delayed a little bit, even though the feds are starting to slow their hikes a lot. And if they keep the hikes on too long, inflation might drop down a lot, but then they might hurt the economy just a little bit too much. So, they're trying to play like a tug of war game, and they're trying not to let anybody win. They're trying to, it's like a stagnant, like both sides keep pushing and pulling and pushing and pulling, and then the feds have to react each time and try to figure out the best course of action. But they said rate hikes are going to keep going on for the most part of 2023. So we'll have to see if that ends up being true or not. But let me know what you guys think. 25 basis points? Or do you think that they should, up the ante a little bit? You think that they should keep it at 50? I don't know. It seems a little bit crazy here. Keisha says, I hate to say it, but I think we need 1 or 2 more 50 basis point hikes. Yeah, I'm with you, Keisha. I'm with you. That's kind of exactly what I'm saying. We need some 50 basis point hikes, and yeah, but guys, just let me know, and also don't forget to vote in the poll too, and smash the like button. And for anybody who just got here, we're going to be going live later whenever the interest rate decision comes out at 2 p.m. Eastern time. 2 p.m. Eastern time right here on the Stocked Up Live channel. So smash that subscribe button. That would really, really help us out here. That would help us out a lot. And then also just don't forget to check back in later. For anybody not in the Discord yet, I'm going to be posting the link in there nonstop. There's going to be a lot of people in there talking about the big event. So check out the link here for Discord. Think you guys will enjoy that. If you're not in there, I know the majority of you guys are already in there. If you're not, though, check it out. You'll definitely love it. Right now, though, stocks are starting to pull back down a little bit. SPY's consolidating a little bit here. DraftKings is starting to actually hold up and do pretty well compared to a lot of stocks. Take that. Good old DraftKings. Look at that QQQ looking good, too. Like it. I like it. Nice. Head Splinter says still ban on the Discord for some reason. Damn, Head Splinter. Let me check. Man, I don't know. I see you in here. I see your account. You're not banned. I see an account, Head Splinter. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. There's a lot of bans in here too. Oh, I found it. All right, Head Splinter, I'm gonna revoke your ban, man. I'm gonna revoke your ban. There was another Head Splinter though that wasn't banned, so I don't know. I don't know. I'll revoke it though. Nothing crazy, right? Just don't be doing nothing too crazy. I don't know what got you banned in the beginning, Head Splinter. I can't tell you. I can't tell you, but I'll revoke it. Just you know, just let's just say I don't know. I guess you got to be on thin ice, right? I don't think you'll do anything too crazy. Yeah, like I don't either. So let me see your message history. I could probably tell you by looking at that. Messages from Head Splinter. Oh, it's not working. Won't let me search it. Damn it. Yeah, I don't know. All good though, all good. Sorry, I mean, I'm sorry that happened. I don't know why you were banned. I don't know. Something must have been said. I don't know. Hey, what's up, Corbin? Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining up, everybody. Let's go. Let's have a great morning. Let's kill it today. Let's kill it before the FOMC ruins everything for us. We know how that goes. I don't know why I typed FOMC in as a ticker there. Going crazy today. Going nuts. Go to the, let's go play around with some of these, sound buttons here again. I love these buttons, guys. I feel like some of these things are gonna get me in trouble. Wow. I hope that scared somebody in here. I know that button definitely got somebody's attention. They're probably like, "Oh man, I just got a notification. Did SniperBot just come out?" This probably. Oh, that's funny. Keisha, you know what today is? Today is a butt cheeks on the eggshells. I'll tell you. Butt cheeks on eggshells. Definitely a scary day here. Damn. Scary day. Let's see what that poll is looking like here. 23 total votes. I appreciate the votes, guys. Mostly FOMC and mostly Powell are tied here. But it looks like higher mostly FOMC and lower mostly Powell. So, interesting. Pretty big disparity on which way people think it's going to be going. Head Splinter says, what do you think about SOXS? Yeah, SOXS. Let's see. Falling off. Semiconductor bear ETF. Yeah, I don't... 17 strike calls. Someone put 3.2 million into it yesterday. Or a few days ago. I like this play. I'm just a little worried because like AMD now is like breaking out so much. It looks like it's going to be going on a small uptrend. Nvidia's like going on a small uptrend too here. So I don't know. SOXS. I don't think I could do it right now myself. I think I'm just gonna have to wait for it to fall. One weird thing with SOXS is that, you know, just remember that this is a leveraged ETF, so it's gonna fall down exponentially hard. So you're gonna see some big moves out of this, and like look at the course of this thing. Like it had a reverse split back in 2022, and then look at all these reverse splits it's had. Tons of reverse splits, so it's definitely not something to hold. It reverse splits like every couple of years, actually. We're actually getting to the point where it might reverse split here again. Yeah, in about another 6 months to a year, expect another split. With how often it does it. Peaches and eggshells. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bill W is getting exotic in here now on me. Peaches. He goes, it's just a short-term trade. Are you looking to trade it up or down, Splinter? That's, I guess, what the main question is. Sucks AMD flew up, because you want SOXS to go up, I'm guessing, right? Yeah, if it does fall, you'd want it to go... Yeah, you would want it to go down quite a bit. Keisha goes, no, those are butt cheeks. Oh, no. Exotic butt cheeks. Love it there. Nice and exotic. Keisha's probably like, what did I start? Purdy says, I'm rooting for my TQQQ put, so I'm looking for a 50 basis point rate hike and a tanking market later on, hopefully. Yeah, I hope it happens for you, Purdy. Just keep in mind, you know, they're looking for, there's a 98.7% chance right now, according to the CME group, that we're going to get 25. So, man, I'd hope you get 50, but that's going to be nuts if we did. Yeah, it's very unlikely. Very, very unlikely, but it could happen. If it does, be ready for some volatility. Be ready. It's going to be nuts if it happens. Bill says my bifocals were in focus. That's funny. The good old bifocals, right? All right. Wow, Palantir's moving off resistance again. DraftKings. I don't know why I keep looking at Palantir lately. It's like been one of my favorites for some reason. Netflix, though. Take that. Louis says, I got some SPXS put, hoping 25 is priced in and SPY takes off. SPXS put, nice. Yeah, that's another leverage ETF. Wow, 3x bear on this one. Got some puts on it, nice. Oh, nice, Louis. Headsplinter says, what about the Yang shares? Y-A-N-G, Yang. Let's see, FTSE China Bear. Ooh. Yeah, I actually haven't looked at this one in a long time. Mainly, I like to watch, like, Queb right now. I'm not into the leverage China stuff. Have enough problems with the regular China shit, but... looking at them all... Hang on, I'm just deleting some of these drawings on there. But yeah, Yang... Crazy moves lately. Off to the downside, obviously. It's a bear ETF. Let's see. Baba. I mean, I don't think Baba's going to be falling too much here. I think it'll fall. I'm wondering how much. Yeah, I think that in the short term, Baba could maybe fall on like 104. Maybe even like retest 100. Especially if the market keeps falling. So, I kind of like that, Head Splinter. You know, Yang seems pretty good to the upside, maybe. Yeah, like 100, maybe like 104 if you want to be really, really safe. But yeah, I could see something like that going on, especially with like this recent low. I will say with it, It might be a better way to like make it maybe break below like 110 or something, but probably a good play either way. Louis says Intel's ripping. Intel, that's my favorite. Let's go. Come on, Intel. Come on, Intel. INTC. Cornish, didn't you say yesterday that you get to trade from home today? So this means you get to enjoy Big Daddy. No interruptions, right? Hopefully no interruptions. Look at Intel go, though. What a move. AMD, too, up to 81. Christian's going to be fucking happy. Hey, Christian, are you happy? Holy crap. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Love it when I'm watching your guys' stocks and they go. Love that. Let's go. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice.
Wow, it's very nice.
Oh my gosh. Not that. You guys ever seen the Borat? Love it. What about this one? I like this one.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. I hope that's not too loud. Love it. That's funny. I didn't know that was like the Baba Booey or whatever thing that they say in there. PewDiePie, very nice. I like that one too. Good old Pewds. Pewds, not the other thing. They call PewDiePie Pewds. It's like his nickname. Let's see how his thing sounds.
Very nice.
Now that one's pretty good. Can't lie, that's pretty good. All right. Great moves. What about Nvidia? Are they following along? They're all going up now. What about Qualcomm? Yeah, Qualcomm's going up. MU moving. There we go. QCOM 135. Okay. Love that move with good old Qualcomm here. Where is the Intel's next resistance, Louis says. Let's check it out. INTC, one of my favorites on the daily to watch. Ooh, I see a big one coming up, Louis, right around $29. $29 and then $30 right after that. So watch 29 and then 30. Pretty big areas of resistance there. Especially considering we just gapped down with earnings. Now we're just like consolidating. Looks like we might start to fall down a little bit more again too. Gonna have some more downtrend, I guess. Home field advantage. Cornish says I got 4 screens and like 14 charts going. Holy shit. Hell yeah, Cornish. That's awesome. Definitely home field advantage. That's great. I'm hoping Intel can get to 29 today. Intel is a bit of a slower mover though, so don't expect anything too nuts with their price action. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, guys, for anybody just now joining, we will be going live later again at right around 1:50 p.m. Eastern time, right before that interest rate decision at 2 p.m. Eastern. So be ready for that. We'll be posting links all over the Discord. Here's the Discord link in the chat again. If you guys didn't get to see it earlier, go ahead and join up. Check it out. I think you'll like it. Think you'll like it in there, especially if you're not in there yet. There is some free day trades posted every day as well. Got the day trading call-outs in the day trading channel. We got the sniper bot, 2 day trades from Mike and myself. We also have a lot more plays in the premium channel. Probably about like, 3 to 5 more plays every day in the premium channel. So looks good in that sense. Looking good there, but yeah, I appreciate you guys joining up today. Seriously, thank you so much. Thank you, Head Splinter, Louie, Sean, Keisha, Bill W, Corbin, Peter, Mike Chang, Christian, Viva Motorsports, Warren, Louie, Jamie, thanks for joining up. Man, Mike Chang, thank you all so much. Seriously, thanks for the support. Thanks for being here. And if you guys didn't see this yet, on the Stocked Up YouTube channel, on the normal one, we actually hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube last night. So I really appreciate you guys. Seriously, we would never have been able to do any of this stuff without you. So kudos to you guys. Thanks for all the support. 50K was awesome to see happen. It took a long time, but hey, hard work pays off, I guess. So I appreciate you joining. Have a great rest of your day, guys. And man, we're feeling blessed. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Seriously. See you later. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I hope every one of you guys bring in 100% plus gains today. Seriously. Have a great one.